Welcome to Whittleton Creek, 47. Your target is Galen Voles, who's just moved into the neighborhood in hopes of establishing an inconspicuous home clinic to peddle Atlantide. Unfortunately for him, not to mention you, he's already received some threatening mail to this new address. The man's on edge, and he's reached out to the local authorities to help him secure his property. You'll need to get past them if you want to take care of Voles. Good luck.
Lost visual on target, Delta. Move to last known position. Is he some kind of Houdini?
Yes.
Command, you copy? There's some loose cannon disturbing public order.
No! He killed Templeman! God, lost visual. Lost visual. Anyone got eyes on Temp?
Don't mind me. Your house is so beautiful. I'm really impressed by all the wonderful things you have here. I wish my husband would let me come down with tomorrow.
Target eliminated. Excellent. Time to make your exit.
This is Papa Charlie. I have arrived at the location and it looks clear. Over.
Hey, stay sharp.
Man, will go. Nope, still sweeping. Understood. Out.
Well, that's